How to wash white clothes. Doing laundry is a lot more challenging when you have to wash white clothes. For one, stains are a lot more obvious on plain color clothing. And for whites especially, you will have to do more when it comes to battling tough stains. Whether you prefer to hand wash clothes most of the time or rely on the washing machine when doing laundry at home, you should know that you will need to take extra care when washing your whites. The best way to wash white clothes. 1. Sort whites properly. You want to make sure to wash white clothing separately. To begin, sort the whites according to color, filth level, and fabric type. This means that you will need to keep your white collar long sleeves for work separate from your white underwear. Baby napkins and towels will also need to be separated from other clothes when doing the wash. 2. Pick the right detergent. In the case of whites, you can expect that powder detergent is more suitable than liquid detergent. The ideal detergent for washing whites contains optical brighteners. You can find many store-bought brands that are suitable to wash white clothes. You want to make sure to follow the washing instruction on the clothing label and also on the detergent packaging to avoid damaging your clothes. 3. Read the clothing label. Just as you finish sorting your clothes for laundry, you want to perform a last-minute check. Start by reading the clothing label just to be sure that you are not missing out on any important information. You will find that most clothes have specific laundry instructions on how to wash and iron. So you want to make sure that you look through the label before you toss the cloth in the washing machine or hand wash it. 4. Treat stains on whites before washing. While sorting through your whites, you want to look carefully for stains that you will need to treat first before washing. And the right treatment technique will depend on the nature of the stain. Wine, grease, ink, and blood stains are some of the toughest to get out of white clothes. The secret to removing stains from white clothes relies on acting fast. To remove stains from whites, you will need to make use of a paper towel and vinegar to first blot out the stain before soaking it in cold water. 5. Hand wash your whites quickly. You can choose to quickly wash your white underwear and light materials by hand. All you need is a bowl or bucket or even the sink to hand wash your clothes. Pour some warm or hot water if the whites are heavily stained, if not you can make use of cold water. Add in powder detergent and a cup of vinegar to help soften the fabrics. Wash by hand and rinse afterward. Once done, spread your whites outside on a line or inside the house. 6. Use the washing machine to wash whites. Using the washing machine to do the laundry could be the best option if you have a lot of time to spare. Start by adding the whites to be washed inside the drum. Add the detergents and white vinegar and begin the wash cycle. Remember to make use of a delicate wash setting and cold water when washing whites in the machine. Dry with the tumble dryer and spread your whites outside when done washing. While there is nothing wrong with using bleach for whites, you want to make sure that there are no colors in the way. You can choose to soak your whites for 30 minutes in a bleach solution before you hand or machine wash them. So there you have it, how to wash white clothes quickly and effectively.